Jammin JD Sports Cards, bringing you a quick box break recap. This is of the 2013-14 Gold Standard Basketball done on February 28, 2014. Here's everybody in the break and your teams. Take a quick look at that. And again, this is just the recap. The full break you can find on our Ustream channel. Alright, for base cards, first, Tyreke Evans, 127 of 299 for the Pelicans, Jose D. Gerald Henderson, 036 of 199 for the Bobcats, Linda W. Kyle Lowry, 088 of 199 for the Raptors, and that was John S. This is a nice card, Meta World Peace. Short print for the Knicks. And that is 08 of 10. For the Knicks, that was Nick R. Metal card, Paul Pierce. For the Nets, Keith B. It's pretty cool. We got two metal cards in this. Kemba Walker, Bobcats. And that was Linda W. Our redemption was a Shane Larkin, rookie autographs. And that goes to the Dallas Mavericks, Keith B. Otto Porter for the Wizards. Very cool jersey auto. Turk, there you go. Nice jersey of Marc Gasol, 86 of 99. White gold for the Grizzlies, Linda W. And for the Hornets, and that one is serial numbered 119 of 299, I believe that says there. Goes to the Pelicans, Jose D. And the last auto, very nice, Kawhi Leonard, 05 of 75. For the Spurs, Lloyd B. So there you have it. Follow us at Jammin JD Cards, and that's on Twitter. And if you want to buy into our breaks, we're breaking every Friday. You can purchase a spot at www.jamminjdcards.com. Thanks for watching.